How about the structural formula? Structural formula tells you all of those things that the molecular formula tells you. So what kind of atoms, in what ratios they combine, but it also shows you how the bonds are formed. So what is bonded exactly to what and with what kind of bonds. So here on the board you will see the structural formulas for the same three molecules that we had here before. Let's look at it. So here we have, you recognize methane. Here's the structural formula of methane. So you can see the atoms and the four bonds coming from the carbon, each of them bonding to one atom of hydrogen. So basically the structure of the molecule. Here is carbon dioxide, and here the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Here's the structural formula of carbon dioxide. So carbon bonded to the two oxygens. See, before here you don't see what kind of bonds those are. You don't see whether they are single or double bonds. So in the structural formula it shows us that the oxygens are bonded with a double bond to the carbon. And here is water, molecular formula. Here is the structural formula of water. So two hydrogens bonded with singular bonds to an oxygen. So a structural formula just tells you the same thing as molecular formula. It's kind of, longer to write. Basically you draw it. So when the structure is not important, we just use the molecular formulas, but sometimes the structure is important to consider, and this is how we do the structural formulas. So we draw them basically.